Good morning. If you have decided to study to become a professional hypnotherapist, keep watching our training videos about hypnosis. Hypnosis is a powerful technique with which you can help and improve the quality of life of a great number of your future patients. Remember, read the description of this video when you can find a link to free training classes on clinical hypnosis. And in addition, you will be able to download several ebooks also free. Let's see a regressive map. Between two lives, there is a dimension, energy center, called almin. Between a life and the almin, there is a blue mist that separates them. There can be several lives, but there is only one almin. When one dies, one passes to the almin. From there, one decides whether to reincarnate or pass to another higher dimension, if one is evolved enough to do so. If you have already completed the corresponding reincarnations, you pass on to another, more evolved dimension. Almin, space between lives, cosmic garden, energy center, place where souls wait for the moment where they must reincarnate again or go to a more evolved dimension, if they are prepared and ready to do so. If they are prepared and have fulfilled correctly with all what they should do in this dimension. In this place, some beings of light show the soul a balance of its past life, so that it can recapitulate the teachings obtained on earth and know what knowledge it needs to expand, acquire or complete, and to choose the family where to be born and grown again, to complete all those capacities and qualities necessary, and with these to obtain to close the circle of the reincarnation that will allow him to open the door towards a more evolved dimension, and with this to follow the long way towards a total evolution that will allow him to reach the perfection. He returns from where he started, but with all the experience he has gained on his long journey. Normally, in regressive therapy, we go from one life to another without going through the sledgehammer. It is not advisable to take the patient there, especially if you have little experience in regressive techniques. Normally, when introducing the patient in this instance, a beam of light appears, denying him or her the entrance to it. As experience is gained, and one considers oneself sufficiently prepared and expert in the matter, one can try to take the patient to the almin, although it is not recommended. In that instance, the patient is aware of everything, especially his I am. Regressive therapy helps the patient to relieve his past in order to get rid of the negative effects of those experiences. If it's the past of his present life, we can make modification to the event, tricking the patient to soften the event. It is from another life we can make the patient accept what happened and assimilate it. We can remember negative and positive experiences from past existence. We can take advantage of the positive ones and resolve the negative ones in order to live our present life in a more satisfactory way. We are continually unconsciously reliving and reacting to the various forgotten memories of our past existence. If these are negative, they produce all kinds of conflicts and blockage, such as fears, incapacities, pains, phobias, aversions, anger, sadness, melancholy, guilt, exaggerated responsibility, insecurity, low self-esteem, sexual problems, and a long etc. The accumulation of unresolved experiences and emotions limits our current life, preventing us from fully integrating with our being. For the soul, time does not exist. Everything is latent, here and now, and only from this present moment. We can heal our past and with it shape our future. If you're interested in learning more about clinical hypnosis, watch our next video, Framing Technique. Remember to read the description of this video where you can find a link to free training classes on clinical hypnosis, and also you can download several free ebooks. If you have any questions, add them in the comments area. On this topic and many others we will talk about in the channel and in the videos that we will publish. So if you're interested, do not miss our next videos. Thank you very much.